Hello friends, this is Virag from HKVK and Company LLP. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tax Insight. There is an important update from the GST department. They have extended the due dates to file the annual returns and GST audit. Why extension? The original due date to file the GST audit and annual return was 31st December 2018, but the forms were not available. So it would be very difficult for both GST professional and taxpayer to file the correct returns on time. GSTR 9, it is annual return for regular taxpayer filing monthly GSTR 3B and quarterly GSTR 1. GSTR 9A, it is annual return for composite taxpayer filing quarterly GSTR 4. GSTR 9C, it is audit report for taxpayer with turnover exceeding 2 crore. Here is the copy of official press release from GST department dated 7 December 2018, wherein they have extended the due date to file GSTR 9, 9A and 9C from 31st December 2018 to 31st March 2019. It's a good relief to both the taxpayers and GST professional to file the accurate return within the due date. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you would like to get the regular updates, then kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.